Hi guys. Today's topic for Periscope is it common sense or is it intuition? I've taken some notes for this. This is a very interesting topic to me because my whole life as a kid, I was always what I felt like I was a step ahead. Hi everyone. How are you all doing? It's so good to see you. Common sense and intuition kind of go together, but they don't. Thank you. Hello. When I was a child, I noticed that I was always sort of one step ahead of the things that were happening. Like, even something as simple as, say, I would know what people were going to do before they did it. Like, I could be going to get in trouble, and I would hear in my head, you need to do it this way, or your mom is going to be upset. Like, I would hear things like that. But my whole life as I grew up, I just thought that was common sense. I thought everybody had that. And I also wondered why everybody didn't listen to it. I don't know if you've ever had any experiences like that in your life. I've had big ones. I've had little ones, experiences to these kinds of things. But there is a difference. And I wanted to take a moment to give a definition of what common sense and a definition of intuition. And I got this from the Merriam-Webster. And I wanted to read this because it's very important. The definition of common sense says, according to Merriam-Webster, the ability to think and behave in a reasonable way and make good decisions. Right? Okay, now the definition of intuition, the natural ability or power that makes it possible to know something without any proof or evidence. You see how these two things are very closely related? They can be confused. You may feel like you may have just a little bit of common sense, but really you are working off of your intuition. It took me a very long time to figure this out. Probably in but a reason that this is important is because it will help you connect to other people and also connect to yourself. Let's see, I had some other things wrote down here. I had to write some things down because I didn't want to forget anything. And if you know the difference, you can understand where the information is coming from. Like things that would be commonly known, that would be a common sense thing. Things that are not commonly known, that you wouldn't know otherwise, intuition. So, intuition fits completely. Like, here is an example. Let's say it's a beautiful day outside. And this has happened to me so many times. And you think, oh, it's gorgeous. I'm so glad to just be going outside, especially lately. It's a beautiful day. But then you just kind of hear in your mind, I need an umbrella. That makes no sense, right? You're looking at the sky, there's blue clouds, sky, sun, all this beautiful. So, you don't listen to that. You don't take your umbrella. I know I don't. I second guess myself all the time. Then I get out, and I'm somewhere with my kids or my family, and the bottom drops out. And I'm not talking about Florida. I know Florida weather's like that. It's very unpredictable. I live in Alabama. So in Florida, we know 4 o'clock, 3:30, 4:30, there's going to be some rain, whether there's a cloud in the sky or not. But it's different here where I live. So that's something that you can look at to see where you're using your intuition. I've really discovered a lot of people are not even aware how intuitive they are on the inside. Like, you don't even realize how much you're being guided. But when you start paying attention, you'll start really noticing, has this ever happened? It's thank you for the hearts. I would like to ask if anybody has anything they want to share on intuition or common sense. I found it very fascinating when I looked up the definitions because I wanted to be able to explain it in a way that would be helpful for you to understand. So I thought the definition from the dictionary would help to get that point across. Let's see, I think I have, let's see if there's anything else on here that I have left out. I'm pretty sure that that's it. So if you don't have any questions or any comments, my name is Brandy Baker, and I am an intuitive psychic. I do past life readings. I do sessions with guides. You can find me on Facebook in my group. It's Readings and Insight with Brandy Baker. My website for my services is actually listed on my profile for Periscope because it's a mouthful. And you can also find me on my Facebook page, which is Lightworking Angels. I do Reiki sessions, and I have come to find that I'm more of a teacher than I realized. But I would love to help you if you want to connect with me. That's the way that I would recommend you finding me. Thank you so much for joining my Periscope, and I hope you have a wonderful day.